Hi friends, I am here to help you with the Google Sheets functions. The people who know Excel, they are very familiar with the spreadsheets. There are a few functions and we can create graphs and pivot tables and create presentable reports. So we will start with the expressions, or we can call it functions. So today we are going to look at left function. So what left function does is, if I type equal sign, every function or expression start with the equal sign, and then I'm simply start typing the function name left and I hit tab. So if you see here on the screen, it is asking two arguments, right? So this argument says string. It is compulsory or mandatory argument, and if it is shown like this in square bracket, it means it is not, it is optional. It's not necessary. Okay, so if I close without passing any argument, and if I hit enter, it will just wrong number. It's just giving us an error. So first we will try without passing the number. So I will select this left B2, and let's take a look at what it is showing us. It is showing H. So whenever we exclude optional argument, so it will return only one letter from the given string. As you see here, if I scroll down, so yeah. So what if I want to extract hello word from the string? So I have to just pass the additional argument. So I will I will put value 2. So it will return he. So now I want hello. I have to put number 5 because the length of hello is 5, right? Similarly, if I have to extract hi from the string, I have to put comma. So all the arguments are comma separated. And the third example is, if I want to extract number, so I will go ahead and type the function, and I will pass this string comma 3, because these are the three letters or numbers, 1 2 3, right? So this is just simple left function. All right, bye for now. See you with the next function.